Adding an audio player to your Shopify store can enhance the overall user experience by allowing visitors to listen to music, podcasts, or other audio content while browsing your site. Here's how you can do it. Choose an audio player app. Explore the Shopify App Store to find an audio player app that suits your needs. Look for features such as customization options, compatibility with your theme, and ease of use. Install the app. Once you've selected an audio player app, install it on your Shopify store by clicking on the Add App button and following the installation instructions. Configure settings. After installation, configure the settings of the audio player app according to your preferences. This may include choosing a player style, selecting audio files to upload, and customizing playback controls. Upload audio files. Upload the audio files you want to make available to visitors. These could be music tracks, podcasts, or any other audio content that you want to showcase on your site. Customize appearance. Customize the appearance of the audio player to match your store's branding and aesthetic. This may involve adjusting colors, fonts, and sizing to ensure a cohesive look. Preview and test. Preview the audio player to ensure that it displays correctly on your Shopify store. Test the functionality to make sure that visitors can play, pause, and skip tracks as expected. Publish your audio player. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish the audio player to make it visible to visitors on your Shopify store.